Jobs via command line interface tutorial. Start a command line interface session, by opening the web terminal via the right-hand sidebar of the web interface. Then, navigate via command line to the folder containing the Quantum Espresso input files for our strontium zirconate calculation. Execute the main bash script called run.sh, which combines the Quantum Espresso input parameters and resource management directives for the calculation in a single file. This will submit the simulation job to the resource manager of our compute queue. Following job submission, enter the command watch qstat in order to view the currently submitted jobs, and to update their statuses in real time. The status of our strontium zirconate job will consequently change from queued to running. The active status of the job can also be inspected under the web interface of our platform, by closing the web terminal session. We can also monitor the evolution of the job by opening it, and inspecting its standard output being printed under the Job Viewer interface. Here, we can also retrieve a copy of the batch job submission input script. Please wait for the job to finish executing. When the job is finished, navigate to the Files tab of Job Viewer, in order to retrieve the list of all input and output files associated with the job. Some of these files have been grouped together by Quantum Espresso in folders and subfolders, which can be navigated at will. This completes the present tutorial.